Okay, Taylor, the first thing I would do is I'm at your email here, and the first thing I would try to do is to copy this and go to Google and see what I get. It appears there's quite a bit of information here just on Google, but the next thing I would do is I would go to Google Scholar. Now that I'm here, I can see which ones look interesting and which ones don't. There's only there's only about 33 results, so you should be able to look through all of them. I'd look through all of them and see which ones look good. Next, I would look at Google blogs to see what just normal folk are writing about this. The blogs will, some of them will be useless, just like in Google Scholar, just like in Google, but others might be useful. One of the best tools, though, is this one down here. I don't know if you have enough time to use this in the time frame you've given me, but you can create email alerts for these, for that particular search, material science and biomimicry. When you click on that link at the bottom of the page, it takes you to something called Google Alerts. Now you'll notice the search terms are already in there because they were carried over from your Google search, and you can tell it to look for everything, comprehensive search, and you can tell it to look for it as it happens. That'll drive you crazy because you get all kinds of junk as well as good stuff. So I'd say once a day. You can email length up to 50 results, and you can deliver it to your email address. Now, I'd also recommend that you get a Gmail account to make all this stuff work. So I can create the alert. You'll notice here that I've created the alert. There it is right there. It's comprehensive. When I click on it, there's nothing in it right now, but that's normal. Another thing you might do is to reduce the numbers to make your search keywords better. I just got rid of a bunch of things in there. All that's left is material science, biomimicry, sustainable architecture, and I'm finding out that biomimicry is not hyphenated as often as not. So I'm just going to click web there. And you get quite a bit more here. You'll notice you've got 12,000. This is what they call the Biomimicry Guild, Biomimicry Institute, and there's probably more in blogs with that search. So start with your original search, narrow your search down, and for example, if you click on this site right here, you should get something interesting. I'm not sure it's useful, but part of search and research is to scan quickly and move on. This is just the start of some of the things you can do, and if you want, we might use this example in class as just as a case study. So let me know if that's okay with you. Thanks a lot. Call me or write to me if you have any more questions. I'm sure there are more, so I don't mind answering.